How's it going? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going turkey hunting, me and Tanner, and we're going to try out a tactic we've been seeing on social media with the turkey fan crawling up to it, sneaking up on the tom. So we got the spot we're going to. It's always had turkeys. It's the same spot I went to last year and I shot a decent tom. We're going to see if it's going to work. One more thing, make sure you guys turn on post notifications so you guys know right when we drop a new video, and so we can see who's really our loyal subscribers. Just got to the spot, setting everything up quick, but it's 70 degrees, no wind. It's a good day for turkey hunting. So here's that decoy I was talking about. You basically just walk up to the turkey like, no, I'm just joking. It's called chicken on a stick. What you do, you just get down and you crawl towards the turkey, and then they can get aggressive, or they're just sometimes dumb enough not to know that it's a person with a gun behind it. Got spooked by a hen walking up to our spot. Hopefully it's just her. Not any toms. There's tons of turkeys here. Right now we're just waiting until they usually the turkeys at the farm here have a set schedule. And they come to the same spot every night. There's probably 30 turkeys at this farm in this one spot, and they're some pretty big toms. So stay tuned. Just had another hen walk by. It's 75 yards to our west. Toms are gonna be following it. Alright, so Tanner hit that one they shot at, and then we walked up there to see if we could see some blood, and there's some blood. Here's that blood trail. It's really hard to see, but I don't even know if you can see that. There's some faded blood there. Oh no, we're gonna take our time and try to find it.
So we just checked over some of the GoPro footage, saw that it flew down into the woods here.
Past these trees and around.
Should be somewhere around here. Stay tuned.
Also, after looking at the camera footage as well, we couldn't tell if it was a Jake or a Tom. It looked like a Tom, but it could be a Jake. Find it? Yeah. No way. What is it? Oh, that's just a little Jake.
Well,
it's better than
nothing. Oh, yeah.
That was crazy. Tanner saying it was heart-wrenching. Going up to a cherokee like that, and it's probably pretty intimidating, to be honest.
Oh yeah.
But
saw him when he got probably 10-15 yards out. Oh, tiny fan. Hold up. Let's see what we can do. Nothing much, but something.
Jeez. It's crazy that we just came up with this last night, saying we're gonna do it. We scrambled to get everything done. We actually switched our blind like midway through the hunt because we didn't like the other spot because it was really wide open. And then we're just sitting there and see these turkeys coming from our east side. So we get in panic mode, and Tanner goes out with his GoPro and his little fan. And he said they're like 10 yards away from him, so camera probably doesn't do much justice.
Good work.
I might try to grind this out solo. I don't know, that'd be pretty hard. GoPro mount, and then I'm probably just have the tripod back in the little blind.
Oh, see if the decoy attracts.
See if I can't get one. Yeah, let's see which beard's bigger, the decoys or the Jakes.
Look at that. If you buy this decoy, it attracts tiny beards.
But I'm sure we're gonna cook this guy up tonight. Probably some of his.
That or Monday.
He's got a decent breast. He's probably 20 pounds. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I mean, it was pretty fun to film, and I'm sure it'll be fun when I do it if I get one.
I know I'm gonna catch a lot of shade for shooting a Jake, but hey, shot 2 turkeys in my life, both Jakes. You know, got to keep the memo going.
But, well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, subscribe. If you can, please turn on our video notifications so you can be in touch on when we post videos. And until then, see you next time.
Oh.